We cover the wide range of issues that clinical engineers and healthcare technology managers have to deal with. Everything from benchmarking to cost effectiveness, cost containment, helping to show value for clinical engineering. We discuss ways to help our colleagues just improve their departments or their functions in some clinical engineering role that they're working in. It doesn't have to be in an in-house department.
We should mention that our mission for this as an AME committee is not to help each other, but rather to develop materials, ideas, concepts that will benefit the entire AME membership, including vendors as well as practicing clinical engineering groups. And so we do that by encouraging publications, the development of sessions at the annual meeting, and other ways of doing that. So in a sense, some of our brainstorming makes its way out into the larger operation.
It was the new ideas for benchmarking that Dave Dickey and Al Gresh talked about related to a project that they're working on with Marcia Wiley, who was not able to participate today, and they're presenting in more detail on that project.
Historically, the benchmarks that clinical engineering has used focused more on operational aspects of the department, completion rates of scheduled inspections, cost. None of these things, while they're important to clinical engineering, they don't really document or quantify the value of clinical engineering on patient care outcomes. In other words, when we service equipment, our ability to be the hero on a stat call so that the patient care is not delayed, or the test doesn't have to be rescheduled, or patient stay is extended. These things are very important. Clinical engineering plays an impact on that, and that's what makes one department, quote, better than the other. So in terms of benchmarking or justifying the need for additional staffing, we propose that we need to have a whole new set of benchmarks and get rid of the sacred cow benchmarks that we've been using for the past 30 years. So we're hoping that this body of work, via the tests that we've done at our 3 different hospital systems, will actually guide us in making the recommendations to the clinical engineering programs out there, as well as to the CMMS vendors who are going to have to adjust their products to allow us to collect the appropriate data.